Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic sauerkraut. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium cabbage, about 3 pounds, and 4 to 6 cloves of fresh garlic. You will also need 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt and a large glass jar. Make sure all your equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you begin this simple and rewarding process. This ensures a safe and delicious outcome. Next, prepare your ingredients. Finely shred the cabbage using a mandolin or a sharp knife, aiming for thin, consistent strips. Then, mince the garlic cloves very finely or use a garlic press for ease. In a large bowl, combine the shredded cabbage, the minced garlic, and the 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands. Now, it's time to pack your jar. Firmly press the cabbage mixture into your clean glass jar, pushing down to release the natural liquids. You want the cabbage to be submerged under its own brine. Leave at least 1 inch of headspace at the top. Ferment at room temperature for 7 to 14 days, tasting periodically until it reaches your desired tanginess. Once your garlic sauerkraut has fermented to your liking, transfer it to the refrigerator. It will keep well for several months, continuing to develop flavor. Enjoy your delicious homemade garlic sauerkraut as a vibrant side dish, a topping for sandwiches, or a healthy addition to any meal. It's incredibly versatile. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.